Morning, Lou. Lulu just got me up. It is Saturday morning, March 28th, almost April, and this is what it looks like outside. How crazy is that? I don't think I've ever seen it snow such big fat flakes before. You can kind of see it in the dark there. Hell of a way to wake up in the morning. Apparently it's still thundering. You can't see the highway in the distance. What you think, Lou? What's retarded is all that grass under there is bright green from all the rain and stuff we've had lately and the warm weather. Ugh.